Hello friends, in this video I am going to show how we can replace this camera and this display. To replace this camera and display, we have to first apply flux on it. So apply some flux. First apply some flux on the tip of the connector, and after applying flux, set this is hot air machine, and first set this temperature to 350 degrees centigrade and air to second level, and let's start it. Then and apply the heat over the tip of the connectors for few seconds. Let it be warm for a few times, and now you can see it is. Move the nozzle of hot air machine around the connectors and pull it gently, and now you can see the camera is out from the PCB and there is no single damage on it. You can see it. And same way you can replace the display as well. Again, put some flux on the pins of displays. And apply heat on it. Apply heat on the tip. Please don't apply the heat on the flex cable. Apply heat on the tip only, and move this nozzle forth and back so that the heat becomes warm and the display comes out easily. Okay, you can see it. It's out now. Put the nozzle of the machine on this. You can see there is no single damage on the display. This is the process by which you can take out the camera and display of Chinese cell phones. And so if you want to replace any such connectors, then it is better to apply the hot air machine rather than the soldering iron. But in case of putting it back on the board, we must use the soldering iron so that we can connect it properly. You can use hot air machine as well. Let's try it, but it will not work better through the hot air machine, so it's better to use solder iron. So I will show how we can put it back on the board in next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.